Today I'm going to make some broccoli rabe. Stick around. So you may have seen this at the store. It's like broccoli, but not quite. A little bitter, very delicious. This is a super easy recipe. So we're going to need a little bit of anchovies, some garlic, a bunch of broccoli rabe. Cut off the stems, the very bottom, or they get a little woody, so just cut those away. And that's what a broccoli rabe looks like. It's like a baby little broccoli. It's kind of bitter, sweet, super delicious. Slice a little piece of lemon, set that aside. Now, get yourself a mortar and pestle. If you don't have this, you can use the knife, you can use a blender, but I'm using a mortar and pestle, and I'm just gonna smash up about 3 cloves of garlic and about 3 anchovy fillets until it looks like that. Okay, once you smash that up, set it aside, and we're gonna blanch our broccoli rabe. So boiling water, a little bit of salt in that water, boil until it's tender. Usually that's going to take like 3-4 minutes. Once the water returns to a boil, generally the broccoli rabe is ready. And then you're going to put it right in an ice bath. Now the ice bath is going to stop the cooking. Do not miss this step, it is very important. And at this point, I'm going to use a kitchen towel and I'm going to drain the broccoli rabe really well. You want to get off as much water as possible. That way when it sautés up, it doesn't get all watery and mushy. So I get a saute pan. I add my garlic and my anchovy paste right in that saute pan, a good amount of olive oil. Get that garlic and anchovy a little bit crispy. It can be golden brown, that's kind of what you want. So I go medium-high heat here. And then I'm going to add a nice helping of the broccoli rabe that's blanched. And you can see that color is really nice and it's already tender, it just needs to be heated through. And I'm just going to impart that anchovy and garlic flavor right into that broccoli rabe. Hit it with a little salt, a little pepper. I just crisp up the one side as much as possible. I flip it over. There should not be a lot of water. And then once you flip it over, cook the other side, you're good to go. So now I'm going to put it on a plate. I'm going to put a little Pecorino Romano cheese on there. You could put breadcrumb. You could put whatever you want. Very simple, very quick, and a very versatile side dish. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful holidays and the rest of your day. Thank you so much.